Hey everybody! After taking an Instagram poll, today's video is going to be a brief tour of my apartment. I live in downtown Fort Worth in a 700 square foot apartment. My boyfriend Skylar and I basically are minimalists. We live a super simple lifestyle, and in fact, before I moved up here from Houston, I sold everything I own. In fact, when I say everything, I mean everything. Here's a brief list of all the things that I sold on Facebook or Craigslist or just got rid of. Well, let's get right to it. Here is a brief tour of my apartment. This is the entryway to our apartment. We keep our backpacks here, our reusable grocery bags here, and any other random stuff that we might need. The kitchen has a massive island that opens up to the living room. The apartment is brand new. We're the first people that have lived in this particular unit, and all of the appliances are stainless steel and brand new. Being that we're minimalists, we only buy what we need at the grocery store. Our fridge is hardly ever fully stocked, and we only buy what we need. Only the coffee maker and a bowl of fruit stay on the counter. There's tons of counter space in the apartment, and we try and keep all of the countertops as clean as we can. The living room is sectioned off by a large area rug that Skylar got. My favorite part of the living room are the stacking coffee tables. They can serve as TV trays or individual desks. Shasti didn't get the memo about being minimalist. He gets multiple blankets. He's also a really messy eater. Fun fact about this egg chair, I've actually had this egg chair since I was a freshman in college. Thankfully, the washer and dryer come with the apartment, so I didn't have to go buy one. More importantly, I don't have to move it when I leave. For the first time in my life, I bought a mattress off of Amazon. It was about 75% of the cost of a name brand mattress, but it is super comfy memory foam. The bathroom has tons of counter space, and there's so many drawers that we actually don't need any dressers in the entire apartment. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to the channel. And as always, thanks for watching.